Greetings from Vissco. Let us now see how to use Vissco cast cover for the arm, product code 0826. It is used for cast and bandage protection during the bath and shower, in case of lacerations and burns, and in some dermatological conditions. It is made of a good quality waterproof material, and the seal around the cast prevents water, dirt or other debris from entering the cast. The cast cover for arm is available in universal size. Let's now see how to wear the product. Stretch the silicone covering and hold the plastic ring perpendicular to the limb. Now, slowly slide your injured hand through the cast cover, taking due care, and make sure it covers entire cast area. Congratulations! Your Vissco cast cover for arm is now ready for use.